QuickX Touch is an NFC card. How do you use it? Turn on NFC in your phone. Touch the card at the back of your phone. It will redirect you to the link to download the app. Install the app. Now touch the card at the back of your phone. It will automatically open the app. 3 options will appear on screen. Click on Create Wallet. Select the length of the seed word from either 12 or 24 words. After the seed words are generated, confirm the words as per the number asked. Retouch your card at the back of the phone. It'll show you the home screen of the wallet. Even if the card is lost, you can recover funds using the seed word. Just put the words according to the number asked for the recovery. You can add number of currencies with the help of Wallet option. It's that simple. QuickX Touch.